Home Remedies presents.
Hi guys, good day. I'm back with a few home remedies on how to reduce fine lines, dry skin and other problems of aging skin. Who doesn't want to look young forever? Young looking skin is what we always dream of. Wrinkles, crow's feet, fine lines, laugh lines and dark spots are the biggest nightmares of any woman. We can't run away from aging, but what we can do is delay it as long as possible with these do-it-at-home masks and packs. We often wonder if anti-aging products suit our skin and question if they really work. If you are looking for an answer, then here is what you need to do. Lemon juice to reduce age spots. The vitamin C present in lemons is a strong antioxidant. Besides, its bleaching action works wonders on age spots and freckles. Just squeeze out the juice from a lemon, apply and leave on your skin for about 15 minutes every day and then rinse with plain water. For even better results, combine 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with half teaspoon of milk cream and 1 teaspoon of egg white. Mix all these ingredients and apply on the face. After 15 minutes, rinse with cold water. Lemon juice in combination with honey is also very effective remedy for aging skin because honey has a soothing action. Mix 1 teaspoon each of lemon juice and honey and massage into your skin. Keep for 20 minutes and then wash with warm water. Coconut milk to moisturize dry skin. Coconut is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. It also has the ability to moisturize your skin and keep it soft, supple, and radiantly young. Grate raw coconut and squeeze the milk out of it. Apply this coconut milk onto your face. Stay for about 20 minutes and then rinse it out with warm water. Papaya mask for skin firmness. You may know about papaya being good for the eyes because it has a lot of vitamin A. The same reason ensures it has a strong antioxidant action and this makes it good for your skin too. Besides, the enzyme called papain in papaya can digest the dead cells on the surface of the skin and makes skin more elastic and firm. To make a papaya mask, cut a few pieces of the totally ripe papaya fruit and mash into a smooth paste. Apply this on the face and after 15 minutes, wash away with warm water. Rose water to tighten skin. Rose water is a cleanser and can help remove the dirt clogging the pores of the skin. It also has an astringent action, which means it tightens the skin. This helps it to give firmness and reduce the puffiness under the eyes. Mix 2 teaspoons of rose water with 3 to 4 drops of glycerin and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply this mixture to your face using cotton ball every night before you go to bed. Or you can also make a face pack by mixing in a teaspoon of rose water into a mixture of 1 teaspoon each of curd and honey. Add this mixture into a mashed ripe banana. Apply the pack to your face and after 20 minutes, wash it out with cool water. Cucumber and curd pack to regenerate skin and under eye skin. Cucumber helps to reduce the puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. Besides, it also has a soothing action that keeps the skin healthy. Curd contains lactic acid, which has the property of exfoliating the dead cells of the skin, and this helps to regenerate the skin. Prepare a face pack by mixing half cup curd with 2 teaspoons of grated cucumber and apply this to the skin. After 20 minutes, rinse with warm water. Using this face pack about twice a week for a few months will help keep your skin healthy and young. While the local application of a face pack can help prevent aging, it is equally important to strengthen the skin from within by providing it the right nutrition. Vegetables, fruits, fish oils and nuts such as the almond and walnut are valuable sources of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids, and help to keep your skin young and healthy. So make sure you eat a healthy, balanced diet and use the right nutrients on your skin, and you don't ever need to worry about the leeches and snails on your skin.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.